Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can import your boards from Trello into Microsoft Planner, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm in my board on Trello, and the first thing we're going to need to do before we import anything into Microsoft Planner is to export our board as a JSON file. This is very easily done. You can very easily do it through your board. All you need to do is first enter the board you want to export, then go into the top right here until you see the three dots. Click on that to show this menu here, then go all the way down until you get to print, export, and share. Click on that, and then you can click on export as JSON. I'll open it up as a new window, and this is what it looks like. You could copy this or click pretty print and copy this, pretty much the same thing. However, you should right click and save, or just press Ctrl S and then save this text here as a JSON file. And once you have that JSON file downloaded to your computer, you can then very easily just import it into Microsoft Planner. I originally thought this was the same as Microsoft Calendar. Turns out it isn't, and I've never used Planner before, but I'm 100% sure that this is the method that you need to use. I don't know how you can import JSONs into Microsoft Planner. It should be just a button press or two away. Knowing Microsoft, they really like to make everything simple, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.